occupant's date of birth and the whole house layout plan. Then you can come up with each individual 7 stars. That's what you mean, eh? Number 1. So it can be overcome. You hang one thing down there, it subdue the inauspicious. You put another thing down there, it reactivate the auspicious. So we call it subdue and reactivate using the 7 stars. But make sure don't put the inauspicious 7 stars in there. Every room also has 7 inauspicious that you need to know. By placing the 7 inauspicious, you are activating all the inauspicious impact that's about to happen. So one need to know when you have missing corner, what I should not put down there and what should I put down there, not only to subdue but to reactivate the good point. So in feng shui, it's not like asking you spending a lot of money doing renovation. No, it's not that. It's knowing the elements to subdue and reactivate. Most important thing. On the right timing. More important is on the right timing. Remember that. Okay? But if you find that that is not what you want, you can also use the general awareness solution. That's why I say that. Feng Shui, I tell you how to solve that problem. To subdue and reactivate. But if you use the general awareness, you can only try to subdue, but no reactivation, as by having the wall lights at that missing corners. Like fixing a wall lights at these missing corners. It's overcoming the inauspicious impact using the general awareness. But after 3 months, you find that the lamp down there actually cause more troubles than any good effects. Uninstall, throw the lamp away. And please call me, I'll pick it up from you. Okay? Right? But it's not suitable for you. Huh? Okay? So that is general awareness, because without date of birth matching and without the home facing matching.
How soon do you know? 3 months?
3 months. Within 3 months. Okay? Right? So now, if you need to know actually what is the cause of this impact. Then you need to learn how to actually analyze the facing orientation of the missing corner. Facing, you know. Facing means, like here, this is my missing corner. So I'm facing one direction. I need to know. So you need to learn how to use a compass to find out the facing orientation.
The facing of the missing corner.
Yes, facing of the missing corner. How do you take this facing? It's actually from here, middle, in the center, 90 degrees, look up, 90 degrees, look up. That is facing. Okay, that's facing. So the first thing you learn about compass is to understand the orientation. If you do not know north, south, east, west, how to know? So in compass it's 360 degrees. True or false? 360 degrees. So the Chinese one, no 0 1. All is start from 360. So in Chinese learning or feng shui learning, no 0 1. So after 360, it repeats itself. So it goes in circles. So the north starts with 337.5, 337.5 to 22.5. That is north, 45 degrees. 337.5 to 22.5. Okay? From 22.5, please add another 45 degrees. That is 67.5. That is northeast orientation. Northeast orientation. From 67.5, please add another 45 degrees. 112.5. That is the east. So you are going in circle. North, northeast, east. Coming. Then you come down to southeast. 112.5 and another 45. 157.5. That is southeast. (112.5) to 157.5. So when you come to the south, it's 157.5 to 202.5. that is up. 202.5 to 247.5, southwest. 247.5 to 292.5, that is west. 292.5 to 337.5, that is northwest. So this is the orientation that you need to more or less remember. Just remember the starting point, and every one you add another 45 degrees, then it goes to the next one. Right? You take it. So in all 360 degrees is segregated into 8 orientation. Alright, 8 major.
Only this 8 is nothing in between.
There is in between, but we are not going to go into in-depth so far. Let me, yes, there will be other lessons where you go into each of these 8 will be segregated into another 3. So 15 degrees, one orientation. So all in all, the Chinese compass has 24 sections. That's what I mean. Yes.
So why it fall under that 292.5? So which direction?
Yes. If it falls under exactly 292.5, it actually goes into northwest. Right? Anything that falls exactly is considered the next one. It won't go the other way. Again, it goes to the next one. Right? So when you invest in compass, don't go and buy a Chinese compass. Go buy this compass. But I'm not asking you to invest such an expensive compass. You can go and buy a compass where you have the bearing that points 0.5, because you know that each of the orientation is 0.5. It starts with a 0.5, you think. So don't get one that is 2 degrees, 5 degrees. How to know? You have a rough estimation. You understand? Why? This compass is one we call most stable. In our feng shui analysis, this is the most stable one. But the pricing is 3 times buying a Chinese compass. It's 850 ringgit. Only the compass, not the stand. Not this one. This one itself is already 75 ringgit or 80 ringgit. So the stand itself, you know, these two, close to about 800 ringgit. So this one 850, you know. So I'm not asking you to invest 1,000 because of this. Until the day you become very serious about it. Go buy this Russian compass where you got 0.5 degrees. In the market, it can come to about 50 ringgit. That will be fine. That will be fine. Because you're only using it to analyze. Having a compass with you is very important. But please don't ask me to lend you this. This is my tool. No doctor will lend you their stethoscope. Cannot. This is a tool. Huh? Oh yes. Okay? You use this often. When you learn more, you know that, oh, I'm about to quarrel with my wife. Because this one actually gauge the occupant's emotion. This one will gauge the emotion. The changes, if it's high, that means that there will be a lot of bickering in the family. See? Very important. Compass, very important. So the first thing in compass, never use 2 compass concurrently because they have magnet. So it will actually cause disturbance, inaccurate. And compass must be flat. No metal should be around it. So if I'm wearing a ring, I should not be holding onto the compass and start holding and start checking. You can't. Because the metal will actually cause distortion. Right? And in feng shui, it must be at waist length. For you, the exact one is 3 feet from the ground. No feng shui master will place the compass on the ground and then check. No one will do that.
Place on the table.
Table must be wooden
Wooden table.
or plastic. Okay? And then it must be like 3 feet high. You can still do that. Understand? Huh? So that is the reason it says that a lot of people make mistakes by holding on to this. Because they have buckle, they have handphone, everything. So that actually implies the person using the compass is not a feng shui master. You don't understand the core basic of compasses.